When it comes down to it, the strength and durability of glass is quite low. Among high-end scientific endeavors in extreme environments, precision, quality, and strength are essential. Consequently, some sectors have found an answer to their problems. Sapphire, specifically, is outperforming almost every other material on the market in many applications.
Sapphire is the hardest substrate that's optically clear after diamond. Therefore, it's utilized in many applications that are in extreme environments, for cover glass of gimbal systems to protect camera systems behind it, also in drones, underwater drones, as it is very pressure resistant. Sapphire is also a valuable substrate as it transmits from the ultraviolet up through mid-wave infrared. At this point, there's nothing better than sapphire for extreme environments.
Sapphire is one of the most durable optic materials on the planet, and Meller Optics is one of the first companies to realize the potential of this amazing material. For 100 years, Meller has built a storied history of cultivating a new standard for sophisticated sapphire applications, specializing in fabricating sapphire domes, windows, lenses, substrates, and prisms.
Our mission, in a few words, is quality. And quality is what it's always been about. For us, we have a very good reputation in the industry for quality products. It's not a phrase, it's something we take very seriously, and we live by it. And the other things, obviously, we want the projects to be on time. We want them to be as specified. Obviously, that goes hand in hand with quality, and we want them to be under budget.
Meller's precision sapphire products have played a key role in travels to the moon, to Mars, and on autonomous undersea vessels, so scientists can research depths of the ocean man cannot access physically. Its experienced team of skilled technicians and engineers make sapphire for the laser, military, space, industrial, and medical fields.
The employee base at Meller Optics is approximately 40 employees. The average tenure of each employee is approximately, it's 20 years or better. Our machine operators here have been on the job for so long, they are so skilled that they exceed what 95% of the other machine technicians in this industry can do.
Meller Optics has fabricated sapphire lenses for vision systems which are presently on the moon and on Mars. After 100 years in business, Meller is now launching its new digital catalog, BuyMeller.com, which clearly demonstrates their commitment to delivering unmatched customer service and quality to new and existing clients.
Sierra Olympic has been around since 1995, and we are a manufacturer of infrared camera systems, very high performance infrared camera systems. We've worked with Meller for 6 or 7 years now, and we buy a lot of sapphire. And we keep coming back to Meller simply because it's not about price, it's about customer relationship and attentiveness to detail and attentiveness to our needs.
Here at Meller, we're very excited about the advancements that have been taking place and cutting edge technology we're looking to integrate. Been doing that by looking at different types of machinery and equipment, utilizing some newer abrasives and slurries and whatnot. We are the go-to people because we prepare them in such a way that we enhance their strength. They actually have higher strengths than if they went to another vendor.
We have a long storied past of really excellence. First that really comes to mind is a ruby laser rod. We were the first to develop solid-state ruby crystal laser rod that bounced a red beam off the moon and back to Earth. That same laser was also used to do eye surgery, one of the British royalty at that time. When you look at the kinds of products that we manufacture, they're good in space, they're good underwater, they're good in the atmosphere, they're good at high speeds, they're good at sand and dirt, wind environments. It's a great material.
Harnessing the profound strength and durability of sapphire, Meller Optics will continue paving the way for its amazing capabilities. Learn more today about Meller Optics, Masters of Sapphire. For more information on our complete line of products and to access our new digital catalog, visit MellerOptics.com or call 800-821-0180.